That's Poppy. Just arrived from outside. I've never seen such a friendly parrot. I've never ever been so close to a parrot in my life. Just came and sat on our windowsill. It's bizarre. Hey, Poppy. Oh. Inexplicable. Hey, sweetie. Part of the family now. Poppy, Shetty, Kundra. You want to say something? Hey.
सर चूना कितना लगा रहा है? आजकल की दुनिया में सिर्फ पान वाला ही ऐसा ईमानदार आदमी है जो आपसे पूछ के चूना लगाता है, वरना सारी दुनिया तो आपको बिना पूछे चूना लगा जाती है।
Hey, I love you. तू बोला?
का?
I love you too.
तोरा मुँह पत्थू।
Come on, and my husband is taking up the rope skipping challenge. Go Raj Kundra, go Fit India. That is so cool. Come on guys, you can also do it. Yeah, you don't have to necessarily dance like Raj, but quite the expert. That is so cool. So proud of you. One way to stay fit. Come on, keep going. Well done. Come on guys, you also can take this challenge up and skip your way to fitness. Better immunity, better health, swasth raho, mast raho, keep at it. Woohoo!
Well done, sir. बॉस थोड़ा सा हटा जाना। धन्यवाद।